Right, so I'm going to show you how to multitask with up to 3 apps on the Galaxy Tab A11. Now, this is very simple. Let's go into multitasking mode. So I'm going to open one of the apps and then open the other app I want to use in multitasking. Like that. So that's your normal multitasking mode. Beg your pardon. So that's your normal multitasking mode with 2 apps. Now, if you want to add a third app, all you have to do is long press on that app and then drag it to the middle. So long press and then you want to drag it to the middle and it's going to appear as a pop-up application just in the middle. So you have this app, so you have this app, and this app all running at the same time. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.